Lego set I'm going to be showing you guys. So, hello, I never made a video in a long time, so I'm going to make a video now. Now I'm going to be showing you all of the Lego set. I just showed you this. I'm going to be showing you all about it because, why not? Because I got it on my birthday, so I got it like a long time ago, and I just built it today, so why not just do a video about it? So I'm going to be showing you all about the stuff. Alright, so the first person we have is, get close to the camera, Luke Skywalker. He does have pretty good detail. He does come with these goggles that, you know, if you ever play Battlefront, you will see these goggles being used in there. So he has a lot of detail. Let's say that he does have a lot of good detail. The next one we have is Ben. Move this camera around. Wait, no, I'm just going to do this. Is Ben. He is the one that taught Luke Skywalker. Comes with his lightsaber. I call it light swords for some reason. Alright, now we're going to move on. Wait, I gotta show this back. The back's pretty detailed too. Alright, now we're going to move on to the big baby. This one was easy to build. It doesn't take that long. Here's the rat that came with it. Rats are pretty, no, not rats. Something else was pretty cute. These are Lego, not cute. Here we have it. Main structure of it all. So these are this is the hovercraft that came with. Boom, boom. Has a steering wheel right here. Has a steering wheel. Made of power. Stickers inside of it. Pretty cool. Pretty fun to play with too. Right here is the outline. I thought it would take 3 since it did come with another one, but I only took 2, so yeah. Then somehow this thing can easily come off, and boom, there's some storage. Oh, let me put it back on. There. This thing. Wait, so I got this off. This thing does move. See? Whoops. Oh, that is all today, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. I'll do more videos if you like and subscribe. Comment down below what's your favorite food, and I'll see you later.